Today we're gonna cook some food that 4 Patriots sent me. This is the container that the food come in. It's a really nice heavy duty container. It's not too big. It would be pretty easy to store. And here's all the food. This is the creamy rice and vegetable dinner that we're gonna cook. So for this creamy rice and vegetable dinner, this is really pretty simple. We'll remove the oxygen absorber. We're boiling the water right now. Then we'll be able to pour it in, and we really just simmer this for 20 minutes. Then we'll let it stand just a little bit to let it thicken, and then it'll be ready. So this is really simple, and I like that it's got the instructions just in 4 little quick steps like that, and it's got all the nutrition information over there. This is starting to get slightly creamy. It smells good. This is going to be good for lunch, and it's easy to cook. This is not hard at all, especially if you were in a situation where you were off-grid or whatever situation happened that you would have to cook this. All right, the creamy rice and vegetables is done. This is really good. I really like this. I like the taste of it and the texture of it. It is creamy like the package said. It reminds me of soup that I had one time at a Panera Bread. That's what it tastes like. This is really good.
Very good.
Really like this.
I like it.
Definitely in a prepping situation or any kind of situation, if I had no food, this would be very good.
Yeah.
This is very good right now, so.
It would be something you actually look forward to eating.
Sure.
I guess this is similar to what, or the same thing, not the same thing, but packaged differently, that soldiers eat. What are they called, MREs?
Yeah.
This is probably much better.
Yeah.
MREs are basically just, you have something to eat to survive. This is actually good.
All in all, I'm very impressed with what 4 Patriots has sent me. I'm just super impressed that there was food that was packaged that well, tasted that good, and that could last for 25 years. I think purchasing their 4-week meal kit would be a great way to be prepared for any kind of situation that could be coming with the things that we're seeing right now, with gas prices being so high and food shortages and ships not being able to come into dock. I don't think it's a bad idea to have some of these. A big thank you to 4 Patriots for sending me the food and the other things that they have sent me. After tasting this food, they definitely have my approval.